All right, I'm going to show you how to use this thing. So anyway, it's got 3 nib options. So you can have pointy, not so pointy, and kind of flat, right? It's very simple. It's rechargeable. Basically, you shove the pen in the center of it, or the pencil, I mean. And that's it, man. That's pretty much it. Let's grab it. All right, so here's your sharpener. So here's how you change the sharpness. If you want it super sharp, you do that. If you want it dull, you do that. If you want it somewhere in between, you go there. This is where you push the pen or the pencil in, it follows me. And this is where you charge it, okay? So USB-C, you put it in, and then you're going to see this light here. Now it has a little bit of a charge out of the box, so I might be able to go ahead and sharpen up a pencil for you guys. But let's try it. All right, I'll pop it off. So I do have these. We'll just get one out. It's not, these are not colored pencils, but this is supposedly 4 colored pencils, right? So all you have to do is just shove it right in here. You can see the sharpener in there. So I just push it in. I think it automatically stops when it's done. And you can see how sharp that is. You could poke somebody's eye out with it if you... So be careful, don't hurt yourself. So once that's done, what you do is to get rid of all the shavings, because you got a bunch of shavings in there, you're going to twist this counterclockwise and pull this out. What I do is kind of bounce it like that, and it gets all the pieces off. That's the blade itself. And then this right here, all you got to do is just dump her in the garbage can, you know, pretty simple, right? Get the shavings out. And then to put it back on, you got to look inside there. You see that little white thing? You got to kind of feed this into it. So you got to look when you bring it down, try to get it in the center, you know, like that. And then once you're, it's not easy to do, I got to tell you. Oh, there we go. So I finally got it. So you got to kind of feed it down on there. You see that? And then it does some kind of weird thing like that. Just make sure you twist this clockwise to get it locked on. And now we're ready to go. And, you know, to make sure that it's, you know, you can sharpen your pencil, just get that in there, get it charging. So next time you come to do your work, you'll be ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.